think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Aishwarya and today's video is going to be the 6th video of our Navratri series. Basically, if you are new here and if you don't know what is Navratri series, then go check out the first video of the Navratri series. I'll make sure to link it up here in the I button so you can watch it over there, and also make sure to watch all the previous Navratri series videos. I'll make sure to link the playlist over here. And yeah, today's video is going to be Devi Katyayini inspired makeup look and tutorial. So Devi Katyayini is worshipped on the 6th day of Navratri and she is said to be a warrior goddess. She has killed the demon Mahishasura and hence known as Mahishasura Mardini, and she rides on a lion and she is usually depicted with 4, 10 or 18 hands. So I also don't know which I'll be choosing for today's look. And by doing a lot of research, I have got to know that Devi Katyayini's saree color is green. So I'll keep all of these points in my mind and I'll start with this look. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first I'll start off with this Color Bar Flawless Finish Primer. I'll be using this Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer and concealer around my eyes. I'll be using the You Can Be Spotlight 40 colored eyeshadow palette for today's makeup look. So the saree I've chosen is light green color. So I'll be starting off with this light green matte eyeshadow over here and blend it in my crease. Now I'll be placing this golden shadow over here almost at the starting of my eye. Now I'll be using this light green shimmer shadow over here and place it just above the golden shadow. So you guys can see I'm done applying eyeliner to this eye. I'll do the same to this eye and then come back. You guys can see I'm done applying the eyeliner. Now I'll be applying the false eyelashes, the kajal and mascara off camera and then come back. So you guys can see I'm done applying the eyelashes, kajal and mascara. So let's move on to the rest of the base makeup. First I'll be applying this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. Using this flat kabuki brush to blend my foundation. So I'll blend the foundation and then come back. So now I'll be applying the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer under my eyes. I'll be using this Lakme Rose powder to set my face. I'll be using this Makeup Revolution Neutrals 2 eyeshadow palette for my blush. And today I'll be using both of these shadows for my blush. I'll be using this LA Colors Highlight and Contour palette for contouring my face and my nose. I'll be using this slightly angled brush to contour my nose. Now I'll be using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold for highlighting my face and my nose. And I'll be using this flat fluffy brush for highlighting my face. And now I'll be applying this Maybelline red lipstick. So first I'll be outlining my lips. And now I'll be using this Good Vibes Rose Hip Skin Clarifying Toner as my makeup fixer. And yeah, that's it. The makeup look has been completed. Now I'm going to be showing you guys the saree, the blouse, the jewelry and the other accessories that I'm going to be using for today's makeup look.
चन्द्रहासोज्ज्वलाकरा शार्दूलवरवाहना कात्यायनी शुभं दधात् देवी दानवघातिनी चन्द्रहासोज्ज्वलाकरा शार्दूलवरवाहना कात्यायनी शुभं दधात् देवी दानवघातिनी चन्द्रहासोज्ज्वलाकरा शार्दूलवरवाहना कात्यायनी चन्द्रहासुज्वलाकरा शार्दूलवरवाहना कात्यायनी शुभं दधात् देवी दानवघातिनी चन्द्रहासुज्वलाकरा शार्दूलवरवाहना कात्यायनी शुभं दधात् देवी दानवघातिनी चन्द्रहासुज्वलाकरा शार्दूलवरवाहना कात्यायनी शुभं दधात् देवी दानवघातिनी ॐ देवी कात्यायनायै नमः। 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 चन्द्रहासुज्वलाकरा शार्दूलवरवाहना कात्यायनी शुभं दधात् देवी दानवघातिनी चन्द्रहासु